Hello friends, I'm Poonam Sharma and today's my video is about paper making fish with opening mouth, which we will make by paper folding art. Before starting the video, I would like to show you how beautiful and absolutely real it looks from the front and also from the top. Now let us start the video and play with paper. Here, to make paper fish, we need a square piece of paper. Now we have to fold this square paper like this. After this, you will see that our square paper is now in triangular shape. Now we have to square it again by folding it. And now we have to fold the paper that we folded up again from the middle. Give it a small fold like this. Here you will see that there are only 2 layers of paper left. Bringing the above paper to the top, giving small folds like this. And now we have to fold this remaining paper in this way, and after that you will see that it has come once again in a triangular shape. Now we have opened it. After opening it, you will find that it has started to look like the shape of a fish. Fold the remaining paper back and make it square again. We have to put a mark on the back paper with our pencil. We have to cut it and fold it over the pencil marks. By following all these steps, you will find that our fish is now ready. And with our gum, we have to paste the paper from the bottom like this. And now it is time for the makeup of the fish. Oh, I mean the color of the fish. So now enjoy the video with music. To make fish eye, cut your paper into a circle and draw a circular shape in the middle with your black pen or pencil. And now we will open the mouth of our fish. Now our fish is completely ready. Here I have made another fish in the same way which I had shown to you earlier. Both of my fish are looking very happy, and now my fish will dance happily. So friends, if you liked the video, then like it and share it as much as possible with your friends and relatives. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it and press the notification bell to get more updates. Thanks for watching.